This is how to import and add your JMPT token in Trust Wallet using Trust Wallet app. The first thing you need to do is to download your Trust Wallet app. Just search Trust Wallet. I'm using Android phone to do this. I will tap it. Make sure you download original Trust Wallet app. So if it is original one, as at the time of this video, this is the interface. You can see there is nothing here for now. For you to import or add your JMPT token in your Trust Wallet app, you can see this is crypto. You scroll down, you can see manage crypto. So for you to add your own required crypto, you tap manage crypto. You can see here, you see all network. This is where you decide which of the network you want to use to import your JMPT token to Trust Wallet app. If you select network, you tap that. We select first BNB Smart Chain Network. You tap that, BNB Smart Chain Network. Look at it, BNB Smart Chain Network. We are looking for JumpTask token. So here you search for JMPT. You can see JMPT Smart Chain is already there. You don't even need to search with JMPT token contract address. You just enable this button and you go back. But the proof that you've added your JMPT token to Trust Wallet is you scroll up, you come to this place, fund your wallet. You tap it, fund your wallet. You select crypto wallet. You select the network. The network you want to use is Binance Smart Chain. You tap it. You want to receive funds to JMPT token that you just added. Just to prove that you've added it, you type JMPT. Look at it, it came out. This is the wallet address for JumpTask token on BNB Smart Chain Network. You can also open it. All you need to do is to copy the address. You can take it to inside of your JumpTask platform to add it and connect it. To know how to do that, you can watch this video. The link of this video will show you step by step of how to do that. So this is a proof that it's already added successfully. And you can also add JMPT token on CELO network inside your Trust Wallet. To do that, you come to manage crypto. You see this one that is selected is JMPT token on Binance Smart Chain Network. The next one is on CELO network. You tap network, you search here CELO network. You can see this is CELO network. You tap it. You can see this is CELO network. For you to highlight the button for JMPT token, you search here JMPT. You can see the JMPT token is not coming out. You have to tap this place. You tap this place. You come here, network. You tap here to select the network. The network we want to select is, you can search here, is CELO. You tap CELO. You can see CELO. You have to go back to CoinMarketCap website to get the contract address for JumpTask token under CELO network. You can see this is CoinMarketCap. You search for JMPT token. You scroll down. You can see this is CoinMarketCap. We want to retrieve contract address for JMPT token under CELO network. So you scroll down. You can see here, look at it, contract address. You tap here. As soon as you tap here, all the supported contract address for different network will come out. What we are interested in is this. So you tap that place to copy it. It has been copied. So we go back to Trust Wallet app. So we are back to inside Trust Wallet. We paste the contract address. You can see as soon as you paste the contract address, all other forms, they automatically feed out. Look at it. The name is Jump Token, JMPT, symbol, and decimal 18. All you need to do is to tap import. As soon as you tap import, the JMPT token under CELO network will instantly be added to your Trust Wallet. And you can see it has been added. Look at this JMPT token on CELO network. If you want to receive token, that is, maybe you want to get your earnings on JumpTask transfer to your wallet address for CELO network, you just tap receive. You copy this address, you take it to your JumpTask platform. But for you to make the token visible on your wallet, that is why you have to do all these things we are doing. Otherwise, when you get your earnings transfer from JumpTask platform, you will not be able to see it. You'll be able to see it only after you must have done everything I've done. That is using the contract address from CoinMarketCap to make JMPT token visible on your Trust Wallet.